Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today let's create this simple dancing robot using HTML and CSS. There's a lot of CSS work here, so let's dive right into it. So this is project number 97 in the HTML CSS JS projects for beginners. So you'll find the GitHub repository there. So I'll create a new folder and I'll just call it dancing robot. I'll say 98, is it? 97? I'm lost. It's 98. So I'll do 98 and call it dancing robot. So inside dancing robot, I'll create two files, index.html and styles.css. So I'll head over to the index.html. I'll create HTML structure and then I'll give it a title, dancing robots. After the title, let's link our style. I'll just say link and get styles.css. So now we shall go in the body section. We shall create a div and give it a class robot. Inside the robot, we are going to add the features. So the robot has head. So I'll give a class head, but also within the head, it has got eye. So I'll say eye left. And then I'll create another div within the header and call it eye right. And then also it has mouth. So I'll give it another div and the class is mouth. So this is the head section. So just besides that, it has a body. So I'll just say div. I'll give it a class of body. And then also it has two arms, right and left. So I'll do div arm. And also I give it another class left. And then also another div for the right arm, right. Now after that, we have the leg. So I'll say div leg left, then div leg right. So that is it for our HTML, and there's nothing possibly in it. So now it's time to open our styles. Now inside the styles.css, let's start with the body. We shall give it display flex, justify content center, align item center, height 100 vertical height, background color, we give it grayish. So it will be FO, 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 and then margin 0. So after styling the body, I will style the class robot. So I'll give it a position relative, width 100 pixels, miss a colon there, semicolon, height 200 pixels. So after that, let's style the head. So from the head, I'll say position absolute. I'll give it top 0, left 50%, width 60 pixels, height 60 pixels, and I'll give it a background color of FFCC00. That's our head. So we shall give it border radius 50%. I'll say transform, translate X, and I'll give it minus 50%. So since we said it's going to be animated, let's animate it. So I'll say animation. Let's make it to node. 1 second, infinite. Now let's style all the two eyes. So I'll say eye. I position it absolute. Top 20 pixels. Width 10 pixels. Height 10 pixels. Background color, we give it black. Then we give it border radius of 50% so that it is circular. So now let's style eye left and eye right. So I'll say eye dot left. This is a class, so I'll say dot eye dot left, and I'll give it left 15 pixels. Then also the right one, I'll just say dot eye dot right, and I'll say right and give it 15 pixels. So this is what we have. Now let's go and style the mouth. So I'll say mouth. I'll position it absolute. I'll say bottom 15 pixels. I'll say left 50%. I'll say width 20 pixels. Height 5 pixels. Background color black. Then I'll say border radius 10 pixels. Then I'll say transform translate X, which is here, minus 50%. Now our head area is done. So the next part is the body. So here I'll just style the body. I'll say body. The body class, position it absolute. Top, I'll say 60 pixels. Left, I'll say 50%. Width, I'll say 20 pixels. Height, I'll say 60 pixels. Background color, I'll say FFCC. Background color, I'll give it OOAFF, something bluish. So we can make the height 100 pixels for the body. And then the width, let's make it 80 pixels. Let's do transform, translate X, minus 50%. So now this is our robot body. Now the next thing is to style the arm. So the class is arm. I'll say position absolute. Top 70 pixels. Width 20 pixels. Height 60 pixels. Background color, I'll give it yellow. This very yellow we used. Then animation, I'll say wave, 1 second, infinite. So after styling the arm, you can see this is the arm. Now there are two classes there. There's arm right and arm left. So I'll start with arm left. I'll say arm.left. And then I'll say left and give it minus 20 pixels. And then I'll say transform origin. I give it top right. So this is class arm. So let me just put dot arm dot left. So I will do arm right. I'll say dot arm dot right, and I'll give it right minus 20 pixels. You can see it has moved. And then transform origin top left. Top left. So this is top right and that is top left. So now let's do the leg. Let's style the leg. So I'll say leg. I'll give it a position of absolute. Bottom 0. Width 20 pixels. Height 60 pixels. Background color, I'll give it this blue color. You can put any color of your choice. So I'll say animation. Let's make it dance. So I'll just say dance. 1 second and then infinite. That means dance non-stop. So after styling the leg, we have two legs. We have leg right and leg left. So I'll say dot leg dot right. I'll say dot leg dot left. I'll give it left 10 pixels. And I'll transform origin top center. And then I have leg right. So I'll say leg dot right. I'll say right 10 pixels. And then transform origin. I'll also say top center. So far we are done with our robot. We have drawn it properly. So this is how our robot looks. So now we need to make it dance. So we need to add some animations. The keyframes. So I'll say keyframes. So our first keyframe is, let me see, is here, the arm, wave. And then we are going to style it. Let's say 0%, 100%. And then we shall transform, rotate. We rotate it to 0. And then we do the 50%. And we say transform. This, we rotate it to 30 degrees. We shall say 30 DEG. So you can see now it's dancing, it's dancing, it's dancing, it's dancing. So the next keyframe we have is node. So we have node, which is here in animation. So I'll copy node. So I'll go down and create another keyframe. So I'll say at keyframes, node. And for node, we have 0% and 100%. And inside it, we shall say transform and then translate X. I'll say minus 50%. Then I'll say rotate 0. Then after that, let's do the halfway 50%. And I'll say transform, translate X. I give it also minus 50%. And I'll rotate it to 10 degrees, 10 DEG. So you can see the head is nodding. So the last keyframe we had was dance. So this is the leg. We have to make the leg to dance. So I will add a keyframe dance, and I'll set 0%, 100%, and I'll transform, translate, minus. I'll transform, then say rotate this to 0, and then 50%. I'll say transform, and I'll say rotate 10 degrees, which is 10 deg. So now you can see this is our dancing robot. So thank you so much for watching. You'll find this project source code in the description, and this is our final robot.